how to delete a Messenger Kids account. So if you want to delete a Messenger Kids account, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application. And once you're with your parent account, go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And here, if you scroll down, you will have your Messenger Kids. You need to tap on it. And here you will have this kind of interface. Go and click on the account. And here you need to go with controls. Under controls, here on the bottom, you'll have delete account option. Or you just need simply go with edit info, which is on the first. And then you will have delete. But if you don't find it, then you can go back and open up your Messenger Kids. And here you can go with the profile, which is on the top right. And here if you scroll down, and you may have delete account option, or you'll just have the option on your Facebook. You can just simply go with your controls, and under your controls you can go with the about info or edit info, and under your edit info here on the bottom you'll have delete account option. You can just simply tap on delete account and tap on delete again, and your kids account will be deleted. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.